Hi, my name is Dr. Priyanka Gudsoorkar. I am an assistant professor and educator in the Department of Environmental and Public Health Sciences at the College of Medicine and the concentration director for the Global Health Concentration in the undergraduate bachelor's program of public health. A little bit about the project. Are you curious about how AI, artificial intelligence, is transforming global health? If so, then this is the right place. This project that you will explore is an AI-powered platform designed to expand access to oral health screening. And most so, if you think, have you ever been to a dentist or have you been to the dentist in the past 6 months? What if AI did that? So, as a student researcher, you'll gain a hands-on experience in survey design, data collection, and analysis while building your skills in digital health, global health research, and an ethical conduct of such studies. You'll commit about 5 to 8 hours per week. This will be supported by mentorship. It will be focused on developing transferable research and critical thinking skills. And by the end of this project, you'll understand how AI tools can be applied to global health in different contexts to answer global health challenges, strengthen your ability to evaluate issues of ethics and equity in digital health, as well as gain practical skills as you carry them into your future career. So join us in shaping the future of global health with innovation and equity. I look forward to working with you.